Thank you.
Ya te trajo el filtro, ¿no?
New filter.
Diferente. No, que está el sucio y limpio. No, good, clean.
Power is off, so that's good. Also, double check, make sure your power is off. So, gotta head to Lowe's, guys. There's this. I don't have this bit. I thought I had it. Well, I didn't think I had it. I mean, I just thought I had it with me. I tried everything, bro, to take it off so I don't have to drive to Lowe's, which Lowe's is not too far from here. It's about 8 minutes per se. But man, that's annoying, dude. But it's okay. Like, coming into the HVAC side of this like field, I've been doing it for a while. Well, not a while, but 3 years, 2 years in school. While I was at school, I was working as an apprentice, and it just never goes as planned, man. Not every time, but man, it's always something. Like, gotta be something every time. So let's go to Lowe's. All right, we are at Lowe's. Man, it's so cold today. We got the tool right here, so boom. have power.
Y aquí le voy a decir yo.
Alright, got 240 going. Let me just wait.
Mi alma, pero sí.
That's really good. Got heat 93 pulling out. Got it set on 77. That's really good. That's 100. My friend, is there another one? That one?
Yeah.
That one? Is there?
No.
Yes. And I here, here, over there in the other room,
Okay.
tiene que medir todo.
Okay.
Pero deja que lo chequee.
Esto está cerrado.
Pero tiene que abrirlo.
Damn. Okay.